All you're gonna do is push your feet through the floor, pull the barbell, hinge, and head back. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing an instructional video on how to set up bands properly for mid-range resistance. This is for if you don't have a deadlift platform or anchors. So let's get it. Today I'll be demonstrating the setup using the conventional deadlift variation. The reason why this video will be helpful is because not everybody has access to a deadlift platform or racks with pegs to anchor bands for accommodating resistance. This method differs from the last no anchor band setup I showed y'all previously because this gives you banded resistance starting at mid-pull. Having band tension initiate mid-pull will force you to stay tight, drive to the floor, and break through a knee level sticking point. All right, so the materials you're gonna need for this are a barbell, plate weight, bands, and either straps or chalk to help you hold the bar. By the way, the bands are the same band tension, it's just I picked two different colors because these are high energy. Step one, you're gonna start with the barbell and the weight you're gonna use on the bar. So step one, you're gonna lay the bands over the barbell. Very simple. End over end, off the knurling, fold it over like a taco. All right, step three, you did a step on the center of the bands, and then you're gonna grip the barbell, all right? You're gonna grip it right on the knurling on the outside of where you place the bands, all right? All right, so then we're gonna go to step four. Step four, you're gonna push your feet through the floor, pull the barbell, hinge, and then head back. By the way, Garrett Gonzalez told me to pull my head back while I'm doing this deadlift. He said, where your crown goes, the bar is gonna go. That's all there is to it. A clean, no equipment way to add band tension to your deadlift. All right, no platform, no anchor, just a simple setup to help create a stronger pull. All right, if this video helps you, like, comment, or subscribe, whichever y'all prefer. I hope to see y'all in the next one, and don't forget to have yourself a nice day.